Hello, dear friends. We have good news. Academy of Light has prepared an annual summer camp, and this year, our theme will be Ballywood. We want to bring you into the movie world. You and your children will learn what it means to be a real superstar of Bollywood and how to be the producer of your own film. We invite you to join our unique experience at our family camp. The first term will be at the cozy, comfortable retreat center provided by our beautiful Australian friends. You will be immersed in foreign languages and develop a deeper understanding of the laws of the universe. We will make a movie together while learning about the Balinese culture. You will have 5 home-cooked meals per day, as well as yoga classes and other physical activities. The second term will take place in 2 different locations. You will begin at the retreat center. Then you will spend 7 amazing days at a special place in Bali, Virgin Beach. Here you will feel a deep connection with nature and reconnect with yourself. During these 7 days, we will create episodes for our film and the incredible beauty surrounding us. We will spend friendly evenings around the campfire, playing guitar, singing songs, and soaking up the wonderful nature around us. We will swim at one of the best beaches in Bali, and we will start every morning with a magical view while we practice yoga and other physical activities. This is how we will create our unique movie together. So, that's what this year's concept looks like. In our opinion, this is a very unique offering for unique families. Together, let's be a team. Let's connect with other families with similar views and interests. We invite you to come spend 15 unforgettable days that will live in your hearts forever. See you in Bali!